Hey everyone, new YouTube video. Chased transition event a couple days ago. It was a long chase, 700 something miles from about 7:30 a.m. to 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. Even went back out for nothing, but long day chasing, so it's a longer video. I also tacked on some video of the landspout tornado that happened yesterday just south of Phoenix. I wasn't even chasing. I was on my way home from Tucson with my son Eli from his soccer game down there, and we passed a storm. And I saw it and it looked kind of mean, but it was a long day the day before. And so we drove past it, and then I keep looking in my rearview mirror, and all of a sudden I see a tornado on the ground. So we turned around and got some video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and join me over on Patreon where we talk all kinds of forecasting and a bunch of other stuff. Well, today got off to an early start, barely made it home. Thunder, lightning already. Gonna be a long day of chasing. This is already pretty this morning. Not the best spot, but I'm kind of right in the middle of town and just did the best I could here. Saw a bolt over there, but this looks great. Pretty awesome right here, look at that. Rain dumping right there. A big bolt right in there would be real nice. That's crazy. Cloud bases are low because this looks like it's further away, but it's not. Well, I'm gonna have to leave in a second, so we either need a bolt or we're done. Trying to core punch this storm. There's a lot of rain on the ground, and I just heard a little ding ding, so hoping to get some hail here real quick. There you go. Another storm moving in, and got a lot of lightning on it. I've seen at least one, but I have been driving more than I've been able to watch, so. I just heard big thunder, so there must have been a close one. Okay, this thing is going nuts now. Really good bolts. They're very low though, because the bases are low, so. Wow. Just started dumping right there. Little outflowy cloud coming out this side. This thing was dropping so much lightning before it got right over here over the mountain, and then now it's gone quiet. So just saw one, but it wasn't. It's been a few and far between now. So nice big one like right out here, maybe hitting that mountain in front of me would be that'd be glorious. But man, that's a good dumping right there, jeez. Regional storm's got some cool outflowy structure starting to build kind of hard to the right now. That's looking pretty good. I wonder if that'll start dropping some lightning. I'm gonna head west. Well, letting this one go. It looks real pretty. Hoping to get a distant bolt here, but it's heading northwest fast, and there's other stuff behind it probably. So, but this is real pretty. That's wild looking. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if that's spinning or just strong outflow, but. Dust over there, so it's crazy looking. Well, that's a crazy looking storm in front of us. that's cool. I need to set up my lightning trigger. Just punched through that. We got this new base right here. It was gnarly. Get in front of it. Pretty sure that's like a gustnado, but you know, get video just in case. Ooh, lightning. It's kind of right underneath this new storm going up. I want to get west because we got a nice shelf cloud going on here, but I just want to make sure that that's just gustnado. Pretty sure it is, but you never know. Got a nice little shape to it for sure. Look at the backside. I mean, could be a wall cloud there, but a little more dispersed now, so I don't know. It's pretty gnarly looking. Looks really mean right in there. Might mean it's gonna get really intense right there. I'm hearing thunder over there. Nice little downburst with dust getting kicked up. Moved my time lapse over there to get more of the whole thing. And I would get what I would give for one big bolt to strike out in front and hit that mountain. But I wouldn't give for some lightning. I hear thunder, but must all be in cloud. It tends to happen. It feels like when you get storms that go outflow like this and make a big shelf, that I rarely see lightning strikes with them. Sometimes you do, but I feel like more often than not I don't. Nothing wrong with it, of course, but you know me, if I could get this shelf and have a big freaking bolt, it just ups the picture, makes it that much better. Pretty in there. You can see the dust out there by the mountain. Gonna hit us soon. And then we'll probably head back that way because the storms back to our east are intensifying. So they're kind of descending down that way, so we can go back east and see what they look like while these cross I-10, and we can't really chase them out there. Just kind of want to hang around I-10 now for the rest of the night. We'll see what happens. Well, it's getting close to hitting us here. It's actually moved fairly slow. Mountains that we were just looking out in there are gone. Just those left. Very low clouds in here. Well, there's a storm just went over us where we were, or at least that part of the shelf. A little bit more of an intense core right there. Be real nice if this thing dropped some lightning, because then I would stop. Otherwise, I think I got to punch through it. Just built up right in front of the road. There's storms on the other side of it out there that I want to get in front of, but this is nice. Started dropping some lightning right there with the mountains. It'd be cool. Well, watching this, might try to punch it because the storms behind it look really active with lightning. But on the other side of this over there, way over there, was a tornado warning just a little bit ago with a little couplet on it. Since faded and weakened, but that would have been cool. That's pretty. Well, incoming low, little outflowy shelf all the way over there. Pretty ugly looking. Looks cool right in there though. That's nice. Just like the teeth on it and the different layers. Pretty cool. I got the 135 zoomed in there. Just hoping that, oh, look at that, a bolt right in there. That's what we need, one more. Oh, there's our departing supercell. And now it's starting to freaking rain on me, which might ruin my time lapse. So pretty. Storm approaching Tonopah with a real nice shelf on it. It's pretty wild. Woo! Wow. Not used to seeing big flashy monster shelf clouds at night in Arizona. This is a this is kind of like a Texas, Kansas spring thing, man. Whew. Looks like power just went out here in Tonopah, the gas stations. And now it just popped back on. Just go past it.
Where are
We're almost by Phoenix. That is a legit landspout tornado.
I didn't think.
We just drove past it.
Yeah, but
It's fading.